Every morning starts the same, hands underwater. 12 times just to feel like I can breathe. Check the lock, then check it again, or else the fear comes crawling back in. They call it OCD, but it's more like a maze, a loop that never ends, a mind set ablaze. It's not about being clean, it's not about control. It's a storm of thoughts that won't let go. I've learned to sit with the fear, to let it stay, to breathe through the night, not run away. I'm breaking the loop, step every day. Grace handed me a page in a quiet cafe. Said you're not alone, there's a better way. It's not about fixing all at once, it's learning to stop before I run. The thoughts still come, but I've found some peace through therapy and courage and small release. It's not about being strong all the time. Sometimes healing means losing your mind, but I'm learning to stay when the darkness grows, and to welcome the mess I used to loathe. I'm breaking the loop and letting it go. This isn't weakness, it's the hardest kind of brave, to stare down a storm and choose to stay. No magic fix, no perfect cure, just faith in the steps I'm walking toward. It's not about silence or making it neat, but standing my ground with shaking feet. Through CBT, through tears and time, with help and hope I realign. I'm breaking the loop and reclaiming my mind. And if I fall again, I'll rise, not perfectly, but true.